Stop before you close this video. Answer me honestly. You studied English for years, but when someone speaks to you, your mind goes blank. Why? I'll tell you the truth nobody taught you. Stay with me. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something important with you, something that will change the way you think about learning English forever. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah studied English in school for 8 years. She learned grammar rules. She memorized hundreds of words. She passed all her exams with good grades. But one day, a tourist stopped her on the street and asked, "Excuse me, where is the train station?" Sarah's mind went completely empty. She knew the words. She knew the grammar, but nothing came out of her mouth. She felt frozen. She felt embarrassed. And she told herself, maybe English is just not for me. Does this sound familiar? Maybe you are like Sarah. Maybe you feel the same pain. But here is the truth. You are not bad at English. You are simply learning it the wrong way. For years, teachers told you that learning English means studying grammar tables, memorizing word lists, and taking tests. They made you believe that only smart students can speak well. But this is completely wrong. The truth is simple. You learned English with your head, not with your mouth. You studied in silence, but language is not silent. Language is alive. Language is sound. Language is practice. Think about small children. How do they learn to speak? Do they study grammar? No. Do they memorize vocabulary lists? No, they simply listen and copy. They make many mistakes, but they don't care. They try again and again. And step by step, they speak naturally. You can do the same thing. You are not too old. You are not too late. Your brain is ready. You just need to change your method. Here is the biggest secret. Daily practice. Not once a week. Not once a month. Every single day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Imagine you practice English for just 10 minutes every day. You talk about simple things. I woke up. I made coffee. The weather is nice. Simple words. Easy sentences. But you do it every day. After 1 week, you feel a small change. After 1 month, you feel more confident. After 6 months, you are a completely new person. This is the magic of daily English. Many people say, "I'm too busy. I will practice on the weekend," but the weekend never comes. Life is always busy. You must make English part of your daily life. How? Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe what you see. This is my table. This is my cup. I am drinking water. These sentences look simple, but they are powerful. Why? Because they are daily. Because they train your brain to think in English. Before you spoke your first word in life, you listened. You listened to your mother. You listened to sounds around you, again and again. And then, one day, the words came out. This is the natural way. Listen first. Listen like a child. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. A baby doesn't understand every word either, but they still listen. And listening builds memory. Memory builds speaking. Try this. Listen to one simple English sentence every day. How are you? Listen to it many times. Soon, you can say it naturally. Not just the words, but the sound, the music, the feeling. This is called shadowing. You listen and copy at the same time. At first, it feels strange, but if you continue, you will start to sound natural. You will think in English without translating. Don't wait for one big success. Celebrate your small wins. Did you say one sentence today? That's a victory. Did you understand one word in a movie? Celebrate it. These small wins give you energy. They tell your brain, "I can do this." Many learners compare themselves to others. They hear someone speak fast and feel small. But remember, that person also started with 0. They also said hello for the first time. They made mistakes, but they didn't quit. Don't look at the mountaintop. Look at the next step. Take one step today. Tomorrow, take another. Step by step, you will reach the top. The real enemy is not grammar. It's not vocabulary. It's fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of sounding stupid. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every time you speak, Even if it's wrong, you learn something. Every mistake makes you stronger. So speak today. Don't wait until you're perfect. You will never feel ready. Fluency comes from action, not from waiting. Start now. Say one sentence out loud. I am learning English. Say it 5 times. Smile. This is not a small action. This is power. This is your first step to freedom. My friend, you now know the truth. English is not about studying more. It's about practicing daily, listening like a child, and speaking before you're ready. Your journey starts today, right now, with one sentence. If this story helped you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And before you go, watch the next video on my channel where I'll show you exactly how to practice English for 10 minutes every day with a simple method that actually works. Remember, small steps, big changes. See you in the next story, my friend.